Hello dear students, how are you? I am your teacher Jainagul Zakirova, and today we will continue learning English. Let's start. Look at these letters and try to find out the topic of our lesson today. You have 10 seconds to think. Could you find the answer? What is the word? Very good. The word is school. Now, let's remember some of the school subjects we know. For this exercise, we will need two cards, a tick and a cross. Let's start. I'm going to show you some pictures and words. Your task is to say if it is correct or incorrect. For example, the word is mess, and look at the picture. Is it correct? Yes. So we put a tick. Let's look at another example. The word is biology, and let's look at the picture. Is it correct? No, we can see PE on the picture, so we put a cross. Now let's do the other activities. You have 5 seconds to think. It is cross. It's not correct. Next one. Music. It's correct. Good. Next one. PE. It's not correct. One more. IT. Very good. The matching is correct. We have literature here. Very good. It's correct. And one more picture. French. It's not correct. We can see art on the picture. And the last one, English. Very good. Well done, guys. It's correct. Good job. Now we are going to learn new words to talk about school. Types of schools. What can you see on the picture? It's a nursery school. So the children go to nursery school. Can you go to a nursery school now? No. Who usually goes there? Very young children. Very good. Now, repeat after me, please. Nursery school. Nursery school. The stress is on the first syllable. Nursery school. Let's look at the next word. Primary school. How old are the children on the picture? What do you think? They are maybe 9, maybe 10 years old. So usually students are 5 to 11 years old. Can I study there? No, I cannot study there because I am not 11 years old. Primary school. The stress is on the first syllable. Repeat after me, please. Primary school. Primary school. Very good. Next word. Secondary school. How old are the children at secondary school? They are usually 11 to 18 years old. Repeat after me, please. Secondary school. Secondary school. Well done. Look at this picture, please. What kind of school is it? Boarding school. Do students live there? Yes, they do. Do students study there? Yes, they do. So it's a school where students live and study. The stress is on the first syllable. Repeat after me, please. Boarding school. Boarding school. Good. One more. Look at this picture, please. It is free to go because the government provides the money for it. What kind of school is it? What do you think? It is state school. Do students pay money to study there? No. Who helps with the money? The government. Well done. So repeat after me, please. State school. State school. Now look at this picture. It is not free to go because the government doesn't provide the money for it. Parents have to pay. What kind of school is it? Do you know? It is private school. The stress is on the first syllable. Is it free to study there? No, usually it's not free. Who pays for the education? Parents pay for the education there. Good. Repeat after me, please. Private school. Private school. Good job, guys. Well done. Now, let's try to remember the words better. Your task is to match the pictures with the words. Let's do the first one together. What can you see on the first picture? We can see young children. And where are they? They are at nursery school. Well done, guys. Good job. Now, please try to do the other matching yourselves. I think you have already finished doing this task, so let's check together. What can you see on picture number 2? It is a secondary school. What about the next picture? It is a state school. What do you think about this picture? It is a boarding school. Next one is a private school. And the last picture is a primary school. Well done, guys. Good job. Now let's repeat all of the words together. Nursery school, secondary school, state school, boarding school, private school, and primary school. Good job. Please write down these words in your notebooks and try to learn them. Now, you are going to read the text. Your task is to complete this text with the given words. Here are the words: boarding, nursery, primary, private, secondary, and state. Let's do the first one together. Children start school when they are 5. Which school do they usually start? Do they start secondary school? No. Do they start nursery school? No. So the answer is primary school. So please do the other ones yourselves. The time is up. Let's check your answers. Number 2. Before that, many children go to nursery school. Good. Number 3. From 11 to 18, children go to secondary school. Number 4 is state. Number 5 is private. Parents have to pay. And number 6 is boarding school. Children study, eat, and sleep. Well done. Good job. Now, let's listen and check if we were right or not.
In the UK, children start primary school when they're 5. Before that, many children go to nursery school, for example, between the ages of 2 and 4, but this is not compulsory. From 11 to 18, children go to secondary school. The majority of schools in the UK, about 90%, are state schools, which means that they are paid for by the government and education is free. The other 10% are private schools, where parents have to pay. A few of these are boarding schools, where children study, eat and sleep. Children at primary school are often called pupils, and children at secondary school are usually called students, as are people who are studying at university. The person who is in charge of a school is called the head teacher. The school year is divided into 3 terms.
Good. Well done. So the answers were correct. Now, your task is to read the text again and to write true or false near the sentences. For example, students between the age 2 and 4 go to nursery school. Is it correct? Let's go back to the text and see. Look at the second sentence. Before that, many children go to nursery school, for example, between the ages of 2 and 4, but this is not compulsory. So, is it correct? Yes, it is true. Now, please try to do sentences number 2, 3, 4, and 5 yourselves. Let's check your answers. I think you have already finished. Number 2, you have to pay to study at state school. It is false. Where do you pay? You have to pay to study at private school, not state school. Number 3, in the UK there are more private schools than state schools. Is it correct? Let's go back to the text. The other 10% are private schools and about 90% are state schools. Which one is more? State school. So the answer is false. Number 4, students study and live at boarding school. It is true. Number 5, people at secondary school and at university are often called students. It is true. Well done, guys. Good job. Let's continue. Today we have talked about types of schools, and now let's remember the words we have learned. In this exercise, you have to find the hidden words. For example, look at the first word. We have E-P-R-V-I-T-A. What do you think? Which word is this? It is private school. Private school. Now try to do the other things yourselves. Let's check your answers. What is the second one? It is boarding school. Good. Next one is a state school. Number 4, nursery school. Number 5, primary school. And the last one is secondary school. Well done, guys. Good job. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.